How to contact the RedNote support. If you're curious about how to contact the RedNote support, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll be showing you how to contact the RedNote support. There are several ways to contact the RedNote support. First, let's just go to app. Now go to your profile and tap on this setting icon. Here, scroll down until you see Help Center. Tap on it. Now here you can just issue your problem, just issue it. Let's say you want to send this one, how to log in on both mobile phone and tablet. Let's say you want to send this, tap on it. Okay, then your problem details will be sent right here and you'll be getting answers like just from here. Now go back and you can just ask another questions about shipping and delivery, or you can ask for note issues or any other issues from here. If this doesn't help, let me show you another method. Just go to Google. Okay, type in this and tap on it and just tap on Gmail and just compose email and issue your problem here and send it. And you can also visit the RedNote Help Center from here. Help Center, and just visit it by tapping on this first link and ask for the guides from here. And that's it. These are some few methods of reaching out to RedNote. I hope this guide was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.